So let's just break it off for the video. And look at that. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Palette and Gardening Edition. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. I got my lovely crew with me here, and we will be taking a look at our front yard garden to show you where we are, things we look to do, and just to have some fun in between, okay? So let's get to walking, Rain. Okay, so as you can see, we have our lovely trellis going along here, which I showed you all about that. We have our cucumbers growing right there. Do an experiment, video to come. We have our keyhole raised bed, which, Rain, let's go this way, okay? This is where the action is, okay? Let's walk this way. So, all the different things, we have an assortment of our 5-gallon bucket things that we are growing, starting off with lavender. So go ahead, guys, put your hand in and give it a smell. The lavender, what do you think?
That's what I smell. That smells good.
It smells very good. What do you think, Ricky? Does it smell good? Okay. Yeah, okay. And then next we have mint. That's a variety of mint. Okay, smells like toothpaste, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
It smells like toothpaste. Yeah. And then this is another variety. Hey, Ricky, stay with us, brother. Don't get ahead. This is another variety of mint. It's like spearmint as well.
Ooh, it smells good.
Yeah, it smells like nice, tasty gum. And then we have another. Mint. Very good. Okay, don't rip it, baby. There you go.
It doesn't smell like gum.
Okay. Yep. Okay. Well, going down, we have some beets. This is a beet, which we actually pick this beet and eat it, but it doesn't smell like anything, brother, so don't worry about that. We'll do a video for that. This is our... Okay, hold on, brother, before you get ahead of me, okay? This is our cabbage that we have. Ooh. Purple cabbage. Yep, okay, cool. It doesn't have a smell. And then we have some carrots. Carrots that are growing along here. We're excited for the carrots. That's going to be awesome.
Carrots.
And then we have some okra. Ooh. It's growing right now.
Wait, what's that?
It's taking its time. This is carrots. Carrots is right here. These are the tops. And then, like you said, Ricky, we have some corn. Which this doesn't look good at all, guys. Oh my gosh. This doesn't look good. But this one does look very good. Hold on, Ricky, before you touch anything.
Oh, don't touch that.
Wait for Daddy, okay? Thank you. We have corn, like I said, ladies and gentlemen. 2 ears of corn, 2 stalks of corn, I should say. One looks better than the other, but we'll get back to that. And then we have our sweet potatoes growing in the 5-gallon bucket, which I did a video on that. Make sure y'all go check that out. There isn't a smell. Oh, we have some thunder. And then we have jalapeno peppers.
Don't touch it with your eyes.
This one is good to go. So we'll see. Don't touch it, brother, please. We have rosemary that is growing right here.
This is all that I want to touch.
Yes. How's that rosemary look?
Smells good.
Hey, be gentle. Don't be so rough, buddy. Okay, thank you. Okay, and then here's our blueberries. Look, this is the blueberry that we have from the blueberry farm. Remember we went there and we picked the blueberries? Remember that?
Yeah.
Remember that video? I mean, you're really not gonna smell anything, but I love the way in which you're all embracing what's going on. And then as you can see, we have some more sweet potatoes growing over here, in which the leaves are doing wonderfully well. You all saw when I planted these, and so hey, the excitement is real. We have some Thai basil. We have some more corn growing. We have kale. We have eggplant. Look at these eggplant growing, Rain.
Wow.
And we even have one that's turning red back here, so that is very awesome. You can touch it. Be very gentle. It's very gentle. You don't have to touch that one per se, but okay. Yep, basil. And then that's arugula right there. Then we have some more mint to keep the pests away. We gotta have our mint all around. And then we have marigolds growing as well, right? So that is the container bucket gardening, okay? And then we have our raised beds, guys. Look at it. It's growing up so big over here, Rain. Look, it's growing up so well. So we have our green bean section, which we grew starting in the month of June, just to go ahead and get our soil full of nitrogen.
I was in that video.
Yes.
I was in that video.
Yes, you were in that video. Oh my gosh, I love you so much, and I thank you for that. And then, you know, that is growing very well. And then we have okra that is growing. These are okra plants that are growing there. We have rosemary inside as well. We have some more okra. You see see the okra, guys? That's okra. That's okra. And then we have our beans and we have our bell pepper. And these are all beans, right?
That's right.
So let's look over here. Look at this, guys. Whoa! How about this? That's basil. Okay, you can give that a smell. Okay, and so I want you all to know this is lemon basil, which is different from that basil over there. That's the regular standard basil. And so the beauty of these, Rain, let me show you. This right here at the top, you see this here because that's when you know that the basil is done growing, as well as this is where the bees come and help pollinate the garden, okay? Okay. And so these are all beans over here. These are bush beans. That's okay. Various varieties of bush beans we have growing here, which is going to be great for our soil when we do our kale and our collard greens and things like that. That is going to help this grow very well when we plant it. All right, so look, Rain, you see what we have growing here? This is a green pepper.
Wow. Oh,
I'm gonna break it off. So it's ready. So let's just break it off for the video. And look at that. We have a whole green pepper.
I'm
You can
not
hold
touching.
it. Why not?
Because
It's fresh.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it in my eggs. Look at that.
Ew, that's not in their eggs.
Oh my gosh, you're silly. And then we have another eggplant right there. We have marigolds. We have Thai basil. And we have some more basil. And then we have some cucumbers going right here, Rain. Isn't that awesome?
I thought there was pepper on there like that.
No. You can even smell it. Like, smell that. That basil, that's like your regular smelling basil right there. It's pretty cool. What do you think? Smells good?
Not
La
really.
la la.
Not really like this one. This smells better than that one. This one
Okay.
smells
Well, Mommy
good.
wants you to go inside, okay? So go ahead inside, please. All right, great people. So I sent the little ones in, wanted them to be safe. But I did want to show you, as you can see, we have the keyhole raised bed that I lightly grazed over, in which I have a video dropping on Friday, okay? So be on the lookout for that video when I do show you all about it, from me building it to what it's all about and all those good things. But I did want to take this tour with you all in the garden just to show you where we are. There has been different growths, as you can see, things that I planted in the month of June that I wanted to catch you up before we get to the second half of the year. But at the end of the day, you all stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, because I have some things brewing, okay? I want to plant some sunflowers going along over there, so I'm gonna have to move those buckets. Be on the lookout for that video. And yeah, some other things cooking. I have to, of course, fill these with soil and things like that, so be on the lookout on how I'm gonna fill those raised beds now that I have more knowledge and information than I had when I filled those back there. But with all that being said, I love you all and I appreciate you all. The lightning and thunder is coming, so that means Ricky Jones Jr. need to go inside, all right, y'all? So I love and I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next video.